everybody, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Asia. I'm a 24-year-old stay-at-home pregnant mom. I am currently 36 weeks, almost 37. Yeah, it's pretty much time to have this baby. But anyway, I am making breakfast right now, and you guys are just gonna come along and spend the day with us. I don't really know what we have planned to do. Yesterday I was supposed to go to my friend's house, but I didn't because I needed to finish my hair, which I did. I don't really know if I like it. I need to do my edges, but whatever. Breakfast is simple and easy. I pretty much do it all the time. Some bagels, grits, and eggs. I already have some strawberries cut up for us, and I'm about to throw these in the oven. But yeah, I don't really have much to do today. I do want to take her to the playground or something, but it's kind of hot, so like I kind of would rather go to the pool. But my bathing suit is not clean. I don't know if we're gonna. You're a dinosaur. Oh my goodness. So yeah, I don't know which one we're gonna do. I'll probably just go to the pool. But I do have some packages that I need to pick up that is in our little mail room. And I also have to film some videos. I'm probably going to film the videos of the packages that I just got as well. Today is just gonna be a filming day for me because I got a lot of stuff being sent over to me from TikTok shop. So he's gonna do that. I'm gonna put some cheese in my grits. Do you guys put cheese in your grits? I like them cheesy. I'm not gonna lie, judging off the color, I feel like I added too much pepper.
Yesterday I made an Instacart order, and they talking about like the delivery fee and all of that would be $13, whatever. Then it went up to 17 something. Then by the end of it, it was like 23. I was like, what's going on?
Breakfast is pretty much done. I just gotta put the cream cheese on the bagels and we are good to go. Even though it's just me and homegirl, I made a decent amount of food because if I don't want to cook tomorrow, then I don't have to make breakfast. I also got my tea over here, my red raspberry leaf tea that I'm gonna drink. Oh shit.
Running back to the strip club, I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I've been enough of petty dudes. I've had enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better day than cash today. Ooh, I just take it day by day.
I like my food extremely hot, like extremely hot. But I'm about to pour my tea and then go join homegirl and eat. This is red raspberry leaf tea, and I don't have any honey or sugar or anything. Plus, I don't even like honey, nor do I like tea. So I mix it with some juice. This is white crab peach. I don't know how much water I use. I just follow my heart. I need to start drinking my okra water, but I'm just a little scared. Just a little scared. I need somebody to be out here with me. Because okra water makes you nice and slippery, and I don't need him to slip out while I'm out here by myself. So I'm like beyond full. Like every time like I get a little tiny burp, like it's really thick right here. I feel like food is coming back up. So I am gonna chill for a little bit, then we're gonna go get the packages. But it's okay, I have an excuse. I'm big and pregnant. And I'm gonna be productive while I lay down. I'm gonna edit. So.
It's morning today.
It's morning today. I'm gonna change your outfit because you wanna go to the playground? Yeah. It was pretty nice outside. We were just sitting on the balcony. So we're gonna change the outfit. We'll go to the playground for a little bit. Then we're gonna go get mommy's packages. Okay? Look that way. Ooh, and look this way. I'm actually gonna go ahead and do my edges as well, and then I'm gonna wash my face. I know that sounds weird to do, but I am going to film a video for this product, and I want to look good. So I'm just not gonna wash all of my forehead. It's only on the side, so I'm just gonna wash this much of my forehead. It's whatever. I already don't like my hair, so me not having my edges done, it ain't helping, okay? I'm filming it now, so that way when we're at the park, I could just edit this.
Pages, talking a lie. Sorry, I'm faded.
pajamas. This is a pajama set. It's like a robe, pants, shorts, and a shirt. This I'm not too sure about. This is so cute. It's like a little workout thing. I'm gonna do a haul. This is some silk sheets, and then what is this? This is supposed to be a small. I could fit this while I'm pregnant. I don't remember getting this though. I didn't order this one. And some more PJs. Right here. Homegirl wants yogurt. She's gonna have a yogurt, a cutie, and she wants some string cheese. So, you're welcome. This is the snack. I need some furniture real bad. Real bad. I can't sit outside. I can't sit nowhere inside. And I'm pregnant as hell. No bueno. I just got a message talking about I got a doctor's appointment on Tuesday. Yeah, I'm not making that. I'm all the way in Arizona. I need to find an OB out here, but nobody takes Kaiser, so I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna have the baby. Just like I did the first time. Technical difficulties, my phone died. But we're back. I don't even remember what I was saying. Where's the scissors? They're up there. Oh, I keep getting a cramp right here. Ow. Oh, that's what I was saying. When I was pregnant with Ava, I moved to Vegas like around this time in my pregnancy. I only had like barely a month left. And same thing, I just didn't go to any doctor's appointments. I just had the baby. I found a hospital that I liked and I went to go have her there. Here, I found a hospital that I like. I like them because I don't know if my fiance is gonna be able to be here by the time I give birth. So not only do I need a babysitter for Ava, but I want somebody to be there with me. Like, I want somebody to be there with me while I'm giving birth. So my mom is coming out here to watch Ava. And basically, I called them and I said, can my toddler be in the labor and delivery room? She was like, it's not really recommended, but yes, they're allowed to be in there. And I was like, okay, cool. She was like, they just can't spend the night. I'm like, baby girl, that was not the plan. She was never staying the night. I just needed her to be in there just in case my fiance wasn't there, so my mom could be there for me, for support. So I'm like, oh, it's all good. That's all I needed to hear, baby. This is smaller than I thought, but it's like a little handheld vacuum. So like I could vacuum my couch when it gets here. I could vacuum my couch and like little stuff like that. And like vacuum like her, what's it called? Her car seat. What is this? Is this even for me? Yup, it sure is. I don't know what this is. I didn't order this. Microfiber quilt set. Oh, I did order this. I forgot. I didn't think, they never hit me. See, companies be tripping because how you gonna not email me back but still send me the thing? So I'm over here thinking that I didn't get it. So cool. I got me a little quilt and I got this. Our quilt right now is white. I was like, this could go with white or black. So it's Letty McDonald's. If you are not an influencer and you have been thinking about it and you have like a quality content and like you think that you can like make quality content, go ahead and start doing it because you can get stuff for free. Who doesn't like free stuff? I'm about to get a dresser for free. 2 of them actually. I'm about to get a rug for my daughter's room, a rug for the entryway, a rug for in here. Like, somebody was trying to send me a couch. Somebody was trying to send me a mattress and I was like, yes sir. Yes, sir, and they never hit me back. But now I want to take a shower so I can try these clothes on. It is so freaking cute. Oh, this shit little. But it's okay, because when I say small, this is what I mean. This, I swear I didn't even order this, but this is not a small. I don't care what nobody says. I could fit it pregnant. Right now, I'm like a medium. This is not small. That's all I'm saying. I swear I did not order this. This is not something that I will wear like together, like a bodysuit and some sweats. I mean, I guess it'll get me out of my comfort zone. I'm a kind of girly that will wear this. I have been wearing sweats lately, but it's hot as hell out here in Arizona, so I don't know when I'm gonna wear this. Is this silk, satin, or neither? Oh, it's 100% polyester. It looks like silky, like this looks and feels like silk, but it ain't, and that's fine. So I wasn't going to, but I'm just gonna wash her hair in the tub. I'm asking for back pain at this point because I could just do it in the sink, but she's already in the tub. She's already, I might as well. So I'm gonna do that. Hi, Ava, I'm Ava. I'm Ava. Why are you crying? Who am I? I'm Ava. Who are you?
Baby Ava.
I'm baby Ava. That's emotional, stanky booty.
It's good booty.
You smell so good. Let me comb your hair out real quick, and then we're gonna make dinner. It's like 11 o'clock.
That is a clock.
And you being a clown.